So I bet you're wondering, where are we tonight? Well, you know, I've been to so many events lately, I'm starting to wonder myself. But really, tonight we're in Middleton, Nova Scotia, where they're having the annual Heart of the Valley Festival.
She is garden 1, 2, 3. Please, would you tell me who is she?
Tonight I'm bound for pillows, count them more when I see you.
Well, as I call in these words to me to say, my dear old chap, you've struck a snap since you've been gone away.
Well, we sure had a great time here in Middleton at the Heart of the Valley Festival. We've been here for 2 days, and it's just been a great time. Lots of fun things happening, lots of good food. I'm gonna go get some chicken here in a moment, and I'm gonna stop my wife from buying a 1970 blue Mustang, because she's just in love with that car. Anyhow, I gotta run. Listen, if you're having a festival or an event, let us know here at nslive.tv, and we'll come and see if we can help you promote it. We'll see you at the next event.